Foraging, Understanding the World of Edible, Poisonous, and Toxic Mushrooms in Nature. By Lucy Ronalds. Table of Contents. 1. Introduction. A. The fascination of foraging. B. Importance of mushroom identification. 2. Basics of foraging. A. Safety precautions. B. Essential foraging tools. C. Seasonal considerations. 3. Edible mushrooms. A. Common edible varieties. B. Culinary uses and recipes. C. Harvesting techniques. 4. Poisonous mushrooms. A. Recognizing toxic species. B. Dangers of misidentification. C. First aid for mushroom poisoning. 5. Toxic mushrooms. A. Understanding harmful effects. B. Avoiding consumption. C. Handling and disposal. 6. Foraging habitats. A. Forests and woodlands. B. Meadows and grasslands. C. Urban foraging. 7. Advanced foraging tips. A. Rare and exotic varieties. B. Ethical foraging practices. C. Foraging for medicinal mushrooms. 8. Foraging adventures. A. Personal stories and experiences. B. Notable foragers and their contributions. 1. Introduction. Picture yourself wandering through a dense forest, the air infused with the earthy scent of moss and the gentle rustling of leaves underfoot. The forest, a silent storyteller, whispers tales of hidden treasures awaiting discovery. This is the enchanting world of foraging, where every step holds the potential to unveil the secrets of edible, poisonous, and toxic mushrooms. The allure of foraging lies in the connection it fosters between humans and the natural world. It's an age-old practice, a dance between curiosity and caution, as individuals explore the forest floor in search of sustenance and adventure. In this dance, the mushrooms take center stage, their various shapes, colors, and textures creating a living tapestry beneath the towering trees. Why forage? The answer is as varied as the mushrooms themselves. For some, it's a primal instinct, a return to our ancestral roots when our survival depended on a deep understanding of the environment. For others, it's a culinary journey.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?